am back with another series. It's in the year of 2018 and I want to be able to make some things more quality for you guys. A couple months ago, I started sewing and started figuring out how to work my Singer Stylist 7258, and at the time I was filming with my iPhone 6s, just recording how to do everything on my machines for myself, and I uploaded it onto the YouTube land, and I thought that it also helped a lot of people out there. That version was not in good quality whatsoever. Like I said, I filmed it on my phone. It wasn't HD or anything, and it was actually very blurry. So I decided that it is in the year of 2018. I want to spend this week to do an upgrade of that for you guys. Okay, so today we're going to talk about winding the bobbins. Very basic. This is the manual itself. It's a 7258 Singer Stylist manual. But if you have any sewing machine out there, you're going to need the manual. Manual in every single machines out there, it comes with a manual, and that's to help you navigate around and understanding your sewing machines. Now, if you don't have the manual for Singer Stylist 7258, I will link it down in the description box, so you'll have it there and you can download it. Before I show you how to wind your bobbin on your Singer Stylist 7258, I want to talk to you about the bobbin itself. You're going to be needing the bobbin called Class 15J. Now, I do have a box of bobbin here with me. This does not come with the machine itself. I think my machines come with about like 5 bobbins, but that wasn't enough. I do have a lot of projects. Obviously, I'm gonna be needing more bobbins. I bought this box with a bunch of bobbins inside online. I'll also link it below, so if you need to, you can, figure out where to buy them. Taking one bobbin out from here, let me show you what it really looks like. Here I have my cream spool color that I will be doing a project later on. What you're going to first be doing is determine which kind of spool you're going to be working today. I need to be spinning this spool right here, so I won't be working with a little one like this one, but what you have going on is this little muni, guys. You would place it. So you place it right here on the spool pin and secure it with the spool pin cap, like this. A lot of time, my other trick is that if you have a little spool like this, it usually has a little cut right here. Now, when you put it on the spool pin, you want it to turn this side. So when it's spinning, it won't get caught into that cut. Okay, so you have a little spool like this, you're going to put it in. And you're going to place this cap in here. If you're not using the little one, you should always place a pin cap on here just in case you don't lose it. But today I'm using the big spools. I'm just going to place it right there. You can find this in your little box. Have a extender position, which is right here. You can find it in here. You can use it. Okay, so just easily place it in here onto that spool pin. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, and once you get into this little tension disc right here, you want to turn it around. Pull it around 1 circle, and then you pull that thread all the way to your right. Okay, once you pull that thread onto your right, now you're going to have an end tail to kind of work with. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the tail of my thread a little bit, because you know what? It's creating a little knot right here, and it's going to give me a little problem, so I'm going to go ahead and snip this. We're going to go ahead and put the end of the thread through the hole in the bobbin. So I'm going to take this thread right here. I put the bobbin on its side, so it's just easier for me to thread. And then you see that tiny little round holes right here. You want to thread it onto this round little holes. So from the center of the side of a bobbin, you want to thread it to your left out here. There you go. This is called the bobbin winder shaft. So on the end of the bobbin, on the bottom of this here, you're going to have a little rectangle, which I explained a little bit earlier. You're going to have round and a rectangle, and you want to match that to the bobbin winder shaft, and you want to push it down. Okay, and then after that, you're going to want to hold your thread, and you want to click it onto the right until it click. All right, and then we're ready to wind the bobbin. Now, if it's your very first time winding your bobbin, your on and off button is going to be on the side of your bobbin winder shaft. It's going to be right here. You want to turn it on, and when you turn on your machine, it's going to give you a little light right there. That's how you know that it's on. And then to wind the bobbin, you want to press on your foot control. So you want to hold the end of your thread and press on the foot control. What you have to do now is press on the foot control, hold your thread for a little bit, and then you can let go. And then when it's filled, you're good to go. It will automatically stop. When you are winding your bobbin and you have a big spool like this, it will tend to like wobbly around. So what I do is that I usually would take a pin and I would just secure it like this so it doesn't like spin out of the machine while it's doing what it's winding. Now I don't have the like the big spool thread holder, but you can also order that online. I will link it down below. I haven't bought mine yet because I feel like I have the need for it, but you can if you want to. A lot of time I can just turn it upside down like so, and it's tend to help whatever they'll float your boats, honestly. But I'm going to show you how I like secure mine. And I tend to have no problem at all. Okay, and we're done. So my bobbin right now is fat and happy, which means it automatically stops by itself. So even if you press on the foot control, it kind of just stopped by itself. Now what you're going to do is you want to push it onto the left. You want to cut, and then you can just check out your bobbin. Just won your first bobbin. Congratulations! I hope you guys find this helpful. Let me know what else can I do for you guys, and we'll see each other next time. Survive.